Strings are immutable. What happened? Is recording stopped?
No, it is on.
Okay. So it is a sequence. String is a sequence of characters. So in Java, string is immutable. What is meant by immutable? String is immutable in Java, which means it's a constant. And cannot be changed. Immutable means which are not we can't able to change it at the runtime. Immutable means which are not able to change at the runtime. While the program is running, we can't change it. So that's why we'll call it as a string as immutable. Whenever we can't change while running the program, that we'll call it as a immutable. Okay. So how we are going to create a string?
You're asking about the definition, or
Normally how you are going to declare the string?
String,
string
uh,
is oh,
data type string, and what the
Yeah.
name of the
String
string the variable name?
s is equal to
Yeah.
variable name and will be given in double quotes. So suppose, so this is a string. Normally what we do is type of string variable and string in double quotes. Okay, this is the declaration of a string. Okay, this we will call it as a string literal. You know literals, right? What are the literals that we have discussed in the previous classes? You forgot?
It's character boolean.
What is mean by literal?
the constant value which is assigned
Yeah,
to
literal is a constant value, right? This is a constant value. So string also will call it as a literal.
Okay.
So whatever the value that we are assigning to any data type, that will call it as a literal.
Literals.
Yeah. So string is also a literal. String, whatever the value that we are assigning to the string, we'll call it as a literal. So that's why we are calling string literal. Okay. So we can even create a string using the new keyword. Sorry, there is some disturbance in the background. New keyword. So like this, string s is equal to new string we can even declare like this. What is the difference between this one and this one? So suppose if I assign the same keyword, same literal for this one and this one, how it is gonna, what is the difference? How it is gonna store it in the memory allocation?
String s, it will start from the index value. Yes, from a will be
Okay.
0, yes 1, like that. But here
Yeah.
it will take the length.
Okay, that's good. So there is a memory allocation. Let's take print. Okay, this is a heap memory. and a pool. There will be a pool. Okay, and the pool, this is a heap memory. This is pool. Suppose if I assign is if I say aspire high is a I have assigned the value aspire high. So this, so here we'll be having 1 second. This is a variable declaration. So whenever we assign string s is equal to aspire, suppose here s, this is s, I have declared s is equal to aspire high, string s is equal to aspire high. This is the allocation of the memory for that particular constant. So now if I assign again s is equal to string s is equal to new string aspire high, then it will create one more memory here, one more aspire high. Sorry. It will create one more aspire, so it will create a pool again. Okay, but it will be like whatever the constant that we have given here. So that's one. That's suppose it's only same as. So it will create one more, but that will be assigned like this. Okay, normally it happens like this. Suppose if I assign the same aspire high with string s1, what happens? I'm assigning the same value for the string s1. How it will be allocated? To which one it will be allocated?
It will create the separate memory.
Does it create a separate memory?
Separate pool.
No, it will use the same pool. Okay, it won't create any memory. Okay, it won't create any memory. It will use the same pool, but the variable assignment will be different. That's it. So it will check whether there is a aspire high value present in the heap in the pool. JVM will check whether aspire high value is present in the pool. If it is present, then just it will assign to the variable s1. If it is not there, then it will create a pool. Okay, if you assign like this, string s is equal to aspire high, string s1 is equal to aspire high. Suppose if you assign like this, if you assign one more variable, string s1, s is equal to new string, same. It will create again. It will create one more pool again. So it will create one more pool s here. So this will be assigned again to this one. So this is the difference. Have got it?
Yes, sir.
So that is the difference. If you use a new keyword, it will always create a new pool for that particular string. But if you assign a string as just string, then if that value is present in a pool, JVM will check whether the value is present in a pool. If it is present, then the same value will be assigned to the variable. It won't create a new pool. So that's why whenever there is a value already present in the pool, it won't waste memory. So that's why Java maintains Java brings the value from the cache that is already present. So memory utilization will be very good in Java. So it's not that important, but just it's for your information. Okay. So no one will ask about this in the interviews. So this is about string. We can declare string in two types: normal string assigning with the variable, and by using the new keyword. So now we'll discuss string methods one by one, as I said yesterday. So first one is int length. This is the method returns the number of characters in the string. Suppose if I say dot length, what it will give? What it will return?
We give 10.
10. So it will give 10. So we can directly get the length of a string if you double quote it the string. Okay. So if we go here in the program, I'll do it here itself. Okay. Let's create one separate class for strings. New Java class string methods. Okay. So I'll copy the main method. So this is the method this is the class I have created. So first one is int length. So I'll copy the same string. Okay. If I print, okay, I can print directly like this, right? It will give 10. Or we can also create s string s is equal to aspire height, okay, s dot length. This also will give the same result. So if I print s out, it also print the same. It will also give the same result. So 10 and 10. So we can directly give the string dot length, or we can assign a value to the variable, then variable dot length. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, char at. So here int I. So what it will return?
will return the index
The
or
character.
value, index value.
Yeah, it will return the characters at the ith index, right? So if you give I as 5, then it will print the fifth index. So here, if I say the same, dot char at 5, what will be the result?
E will be the result. E.
Yeah. So returns
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E.
okay. So I'll copy this one. Okay. Okay, I'll run this program. E. Okay. Because the string starts with the, if you when you are counting the length of a string, it will be starting from 0. So it is a fifth index. Index means it starts with 0. So remember that one. If it is an index, then it will start with the 0. So this is about char at. Okay. The next one is string substring. So substring is a small letters, all small letters. Okay. Do remember that. Substring of int I. What it will return? Return the substring from the ith index. To end. What does that mean? Returns the substring from the ith index till end.
Substring we given as substring in 6 means it will print a high.
Yeah. So if I say the same thing, if I take the same thing, okay, here I'll give substring of 5, then what will it will print?
EI.
From E will print like this.
Why it will print E high?
It will print from the index which we have passed to the
Okay.
end.
Okay, got it.
The index character to end. Okay. Substring means it will print from the fifth index to the end.
Okay.
If you give it is if you give 4, then it will print from R to whole part.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. It will print from the ith index to the end. So if I take the same thing, try here. It should print E high, right? E high. 1 second, I'm getting on call. What happened to my call? Okay, I'll call you later. So have you understood until here?
Yes.
So the next one is, so we can use this one, and we can use one more substring. We can use another way, string substring int I comma int I int j, sorry, int I comma int j. So it returns the substring from ith index to jth index. Okay, so if I use the same substring 5 comma 8, what it will print?
EHIG.
Fifth character is E.
Eighth character.
6, 7, 8. E. So it will print EHIG, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 characters. Will print four characters. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be the substring. If you want to use, if you want to get in the middle of the string, then we can use both indexes, starting index and ending index. If you don't use the ending index, then it will print whole from that particular ith index to the end of the character. If you don't give the jth index, okay, we have used it without using the jth index here. We are using both the index, start index and end index. If you don't give end index here, it will print until the end. Okay, so the next one is concat. Concat. What is concat?
It will join the both string
Yeah,
one.
it will join the strings. It will join the both the strings. So concatenates specified string to the end of the string. So suppose if I say string s1 is equal to as per string s2 is equal to height, then string output is equal to s1 dot concat s2. So what will give? We need to use like this. If you want to combine the two strings, we can use concat method. So how to use it? s1 dot concat the s2. So it will what it will return?
As per I.
It will print like this. So we use all of them at a time. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So next, index of index of O capital here, string yes. What is the meaning of index of?
It will give the index value of the string.
Okay. Returns the index within the string of the first occurrence. Of the specified string. So what happens? Suppose if I give as string s is equal to learn Java with Aspire High. Okay. I have given a string s is equal to learn Java with string Aspire High. Okay. If I say s dot index of Aspire, what will be the result?
15, sir. 15.
First occurrence of the specified string. So it will give the index of the first occurrence of the specified string. I have mentioned Aspire. So what is the occurrence of A? What is the
15.
index of A?
15.
So that will be the result. Okay. So it will get the index of the Aspire, the first word of the Aspire. So it will give the first index of the word which we have passed here. So in Aspire, A is the first character. It will get the length of the first. It will get the index of the first character of Aspire. Are you clear this one? Nikunj?
Yes, sir.
No. Can you explain it again, sir? This one.
Last one.
So here, so this is a string, right? So when we pass any word, if I pass with, then the first character of with is W, right? What is the index of W? That will be printed. The index of the word that we have passed, first character of the index will be first
Okay.
character index will be given. First character of the index will be given, then given by the index of. Sorry. The first
Got it.
character index will be given in the word, whatever the word that we have given here. So the first character index will be given here. As per I have given as per, right? Eighth index will be given as a result.
His index is 15, right?
Yeah. So it will give the result as 15.
1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think it will take spaces as well. Okay.
okay? It will
So-
take spaces. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, it will take spaces as well. So let's print this one.
It will always take the spaces.
Yeah, string it should take spaces. Let's see. So so spaces, it is taking spaces. So the answer is 16. So if you count 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? 16th index is A. It is considering the spaces which are present between spaces. 3 spaces are present in between, right? The words. Okay. So suppose if I use the same, string index of comma int I. What will be this? How it will work? How it will work? What happened? Silent. Aruna, Priyadarshini,
Yes, sir.
you didn't get this one?
Will it?
Aruna, Priyadarshini, have got
Yes,
this
sir.
sixth one? Index of?
Yes,
yeah,
sir, I
previous
got that one. Seventh one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Serval, you were saying something.
I was about to guess, but I realized it was wrong. So
Why? Okay. It will return returns within the specified string of first occurrence. Okay. Of the specified string as of the specified symbols. Okay. Starting at the specified index. So if I suppose if I give the same thing, s dot index of what will be the result?
One and I will be the result.
No. It should return the index. What index it will return? Yeah, Priyadarshini?
16, sir. For
Should return
A 16.
starting of the index. What is the index within the string? The first occurrence of the specified string starting at the specified index. So it will print the same 16. Let's see. So here I'll pass same thing. $16. Okay. So it is not making much, but we are passing only the string and index.
so it will just come 16. Nothing about the 3 that.
Yes, from index 3. Okay. Sorry.
Why we are giving 3 there, sir?
We can give any value. We can give any string. So it's I think it's the index of from
No,
index, right? It will
it-
as is a string and from index.
If we give any string, then the answer does not change.
I don't think so. It will change. 1 second.
Sir, give us 17, sir.
No, it will throw an error, right? 1 second. -1. So, okay, I'm not sure this one. Let me think and come back, okay? Uh, three. So if the index is the index of A is 16, right? So if you give more than 16, then it will start negative. If you give anything between 16, then it will give the result as 16 only. If you cross the value, if you cross the index from 16, suppose if I give minus 8, if I give 18, what will be the result?
-2.
-1 only.
Minus 1.
So I think it will be only if it is within the range of the index of A, then it will print the actual value. If it is more than the index, then it will print -1, negative. Let me come back with the actual solution for this thing. Someone has to go on mute.
इकलौती लड़की है किसी इंसान आती है हमारा अच्छा
Somebody watching something.
गिरा के वो पलके झुकाती है कि जब जुल्फे गिरा के वो पलके झुकाती है सांसें तो चलती है पर जान निकलती है
Hello. I don't know where it find my window. Okay, let me come back on this one. Okay, I'll come back to you tomorrow. Okay. Index of string, you understood, right? Last index of string is there. Last index of is also there. Eighth one. Int last index of string S. What will be the result of this one?
For the specified string, the last letter of the index will be.
Yeah, it will returns the index within the string of the last occurrence of the specified string.
26.
So suppose if I give as per high, what is the repeated letter here? Is there anything letter? Okay, let's take the same thing. Okay, if I say S dot last index of A, what will be the result? You need to check.
16,
You need to check the A. You need to check the A. What is the last index of A?
16.
Here one A, here one A, here one A, and here this is. Is it takes capital letters, small letters? It will take same capitals and small.
It will take the small letter, lowercase alone.
It is case sensitive, sir. It will take only small letter, I think so.
Yeah. So let's let's print this one here. It should take only the
Nine.
small letter. Two. Nine, right?
Nine.
So it will be, because it is a case sensitive, it should take only the letter. Suppose if I say I, okay. So it will print this index, right? This ith index. Okay, last ith index will be printed. Okay, are you clear until here?
Yes,
Except
sir.
the index or
Yes.
string.
Yeah.
Okay, the ninth one is Boolean. What is Boolean?
Or false.
True or false. So what happens? Compares the string to the specified object. So suppose I had given Boolean obj is equal to aspire dot equals what will be the output? What it will return?
It will return true.
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 It will return true because both are equal. So we can write, if you want to compare the strings, two strings, then we can write, we can even use like this. If you want the result as true or false, we can use like this. Okay. So it will return true or false. If it is one more true, then it will return false because both are not matching. To compare two results, we can use we can use equals method. Okay. So it will give the Boolean result because because Boolean equals, we are assigning to the Boolean value of an object. So next one, equals ignore case. We have compared to also. Equals ignore case. String S1, string S2. So this also Boolean. This will also be Boolean. Will give the Boolean result. Equals ignore case. So what happens now if I say Boolean out is equal to, I'll take the same thing. But I'll write equal ignore case. So if I take A, yes, what will be the result?
It will return true only.
It will return true because it won't it will ignore the case sensitive case. It's whether it is a uppercase or a higher lower case. It won't matter if you use the word equal ignore case. It will ignore the case and it will compare the result. So it will give true. Suppose when we are trying to get a data from the website, I'll show you the example where we are using the equal ignore case. One second. I don't remember schedule. So here, see, evening times it will come 7:30 p.m. Suppose it will come 7:30 p.m. It will come capital letters when I get it from the website. Okay, but when it comes to the API call, we are getting 7:30 p.m. From the API call, we are getting this one. From the website, we are getting this one. So at that time, we need to ignore the case. So equals ignore case. Okay, we use the equal ignore case so that this PM and this PM won't affect while comparing the result. We don't bother whether it is small PM or capital P, right? So at that time we use equal ignore case. Okay. Have understood?
Yes, sir.
There you go. It's
Yes.
boring, right? Compare to what it will do.
It will compare both strings, string 1 and
Yeah.
string 2.
So what it will give the result this here?
String 1 as
Here,
per as per.
Here Boolean, right? It is Boolean equals, so it is giving true or false. What will be the result when we compare the two strings?
It is used in the condition.
Hmm.
It is used for used in condition like loop. If condition like that to compare the strings.
Yeah, it will be given greater than 0 or less than 0 or equals to 0. Okay, the result will be greater than 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0. So how is so? Suppose int out is equal to s1 dot compare to s2. Okay, strings to be compared here. Okay, this returns difference s1 minus s2. If out is less than 0, s1 comes before s2. Okay, out is equal to 0, s1 and s2 are equal. Out greater than 0, s1 comes after s2. This will be the result. Okay. It will give 0, less than 0, greater than 0, or equal to 0. If it is so, now if I compare two strings, let us compare two strings. Go here. What I'll use, I'll take the same one. Okay, instead of index. No, not this one. I'll take this one. Equals is Boolean, that's why it is throwing an error. See, migrate out type to Boolean, because equals is only used for Boolean values, so it will immediately throw an error here. Okay, this is an error. See, required type is int, but provided Boolean. Equals is Boolean, that's why. Compared to. Okay. So what will be the result now?
So it is equal, so it will return 0.
Will return 0. It returns 0. Now, if I say this one, what happens? Is greater than or less than or equal?
Greater.
How it will check how it will compare whether it is greater or greater or lesser?
Using the ASCII.
Using the ASCII values, right? So based on this ASCII value of small a, what is the ASCII value of small a, and what is the ASCII value of small capital A? Any idea? I think 92 or 65, something it will be there. So what happens the result? I think A will be having more ASCII value, small a. So it is giving
Small a, it
Small
shows
a,
65.
small a is 55.
65.
65. Okay. Capital A?
Capital A.
92?
97.
97. Okay. So it is giving the positive value. Greater than 0.
Subtracted
S1
both. 97 minus 30, 65 is 32.
32. Okay. It is giving the minus. Yeah. S1 minus S2, right?
Yeah.
This returns difference S1 minus S2, right?
Yes, sir.
So I told you, right? This returns difference between S1 minus S2. So it is returning 32 because 97 minus 65. So it is equal to 0 because both are equal. It is, if it is greater than 0, then S1 comes after S2. So if I say now this one, what happens?
It is greater than.
32 it will come.
Is it gonna come negative or positive?
Negative.
Minus 32. Okay. If it is negative, it comes, and that means less than 0, right?
Yes.
Servil, Nikunj? It will calculate the value, because we don't need to know about how it is going to calculate, because it is totally based on the ASCII values. So if the ASCII value of this one is higher, then it will be, this is lower, this is, sorry, this is lower, this is higher. So when we minus this one with this one, then we are getting the negative value, right?
How does we arrive? How can we arrive to 92 or 65?
No, that's ASCII values. It's ASCII codes. So that for every value there will be ASCII code.
And how can we
So
find that?
we can't remember all the ASCII values, right? So this is the table. Sorry.
So we have to remember,
So
or
this
how
is
do
the
we
ASCII. No need to remember. We no need to remember. Okay, just you need to know how it works. Okay, see, for A it is capital A, it is 65. Okay, for small a it will be 97. So it makes the difference. So 97 minus 65.
32.
32, like that. It will calculate. We no need to know or remember all this. Okay, don't worry about this. So that it will calculate. The difference, the result will be the difference of S1 minus S2. Okay, here S1 is depends what value we are passing S1, what value we are passing S2. Okay, S1 dot compared to S2. So S1 minus S2. S2, what is the value of S1 here? In the
97.
S1 here, S1 is 90, S1 is 65, right? Yeah, capital A.
Yeah, 65.
Yeah, 65.
Okay, S2 small a, 97. 65 minus 97, so 32, minus 32.
Minus 32.
So, okay, S1 minus S2, the difference will be S1 minus S2. So that's why it will minus from 65 to 97. If it is small letter here 97, then it will give the positive value. Because small a value is 97 and capital A value is 65. So 97 minus 65, it will give 32. Positive number.
So we take positive or negative?
Positive or negative?
If we
It
take
depends
S,
on the,
yes.
it depends on the value.
Yeah, so
And
S1 minus
string
S2 in
S1
this case is minus 32.
is minus 32.
How come minus 32? A is 97, small a, minus capital A 65, 32, right? Positive.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so so like this we have plenty of methods. So maybe so I'll this trim is the main method that we need to know. Okay, to uppercase, to convert it to uppercase, all the capital letters into uppercase, to lowercase. Okay, you can practice this one. Okay, trim means it will trim the empty spaces. It will remove empty spaces before and after string. Okay, at both ends it will remove the spaces on both ends, at the beginning of the string and at the end of the string. If there are any spaces, it will remove. To uppercase, if it
How
is
we
a
will
small
declare
case,
trim, sir?
which one? Trim.
Trim.
Trim, just we need to suppose string s is equal to, suppose I have given aspire, I have given like this. Okay, I have given like this, then s dot trim. It will give the result as just aspire. The spaces will be removed, whatever the spaces that are present here after the string and before the string will be removed.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, uppercase and lowercase, it will convert. Suppose if it is if I say to uppercase, then all letters will be in the uppercase. Lowercase means it will all be lowercase. Okay, it will convert from lower to upper to lower, to uppercase and to lowercase methods. Okay, replace also is same thing. Replace, if you want to replace anything from one character to the one string to other string, then replace char old comma char new. Okay, we can replace with suppose if aspire. Okay, if I want to replace P is the old character with M, then we can replace P value with M by passing this here. Character means single quotes, right? We need to pass single quotes P, whatever the character that we want to replace with, and whatever character we want to replace with the new character. Suppose here. So it will replace, it will print ASPIME. P, right? ASMPIRE. Will print like this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the replacement.
Yes.
Okay. So that's it. These are the methods that we need to remember. These are the main methods: trim, to lowercase, uppercase, ignore, equals, ignore case, compare to, okay, equals, and this last index of, these are all not that much important. Okay. Concat is important, substring is important, okay, caret is important, and length, caret, substring, concat, equals, equal, ignore case, trim, uppercase, lowercase, replace. These are the important one that you need to remember. Okay, so see you tomorrow, tomorrow's class.
Thank you.
Sir, can you send me that? Second largest, second smallest number.
Sorry.
Second smallest number in an array.
Yeah, I'll send that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.